I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to our series on SAT Math 2 test preparation. Here's another wonderful question based on lines. You can find many practice questions in our book, Rediscover Algebra and Geometry. The problem here is a line y equals to mx plus b has x-intercept at a minus 4, 0 and y-intercept at 0, b. What is the slope m if the area of the triangle AOB is 12 units square? You can pause the video, answer the question. In case you want to have more practice questions, send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. You can also learn from me directly to do extremely well. Now, a good idea is as you read this question, you can also sketch it. We are given the x-intercept as minus 4 and y, which we don't know, we need to find. Let's say we just draw a line where the x-intercept is at minus 4, which is the point A, and B is your y-intercept. O is normally taken for the origin. Now, the area of this triangle means this area is given to you as 12 units square, right? So if this is B, in that case, area is half base into height, right? Base is OA in this case, right? And height is OB. Simple as that. So we can now write area of 12 equals to half of, always these lengths are positive, right? So lengths are always positive, and this is B for us. Now we can calculate B as 2 times 12 over 4. So that gives you the value of B. 4 goes 3 times, and 3 times 2 is 6, and therefore this should be 6, correct? So that is how we could actually find the point B. Now we need to actually calculate the slope m. Slope is rise over run, right? So slope m will be equal to what? M equals to 6 over 4, right? Which is a positive slope, 3 over 2. So we get answer as B, positive slope 3 over 2. Makes sense? So that becomes a simpler question to solve. Now we could have another answer also, which is if you take this line not like that, but going downwards, correct? However, minus 3 over 2 is not an option here, right? But difficult question would have been where the option was not 3 over 2, but minus 3 over 2. In that case, think like this, that the line could have been going downwards. Makes sense, right? Understanding these variations is extremely important, and that is where our book, Rediscover Algebra and Geometry, comes in. Get a copy from Amazon. Thank you, and all the best.